Section 4.5, example 5 on page 278, we have the remainder theorem provides a quick way to find the remainder of the polynomial long division problem. Theorem 103, the remainder theorem, says if you divide a polynomial p of x of degree n greater than or equal to 1 by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Here's why it works. When you divide a polynomial p of x by d of x, you find p of x equals d of x times q of x plus r of x. P of x equals x minus a times q of x plus r of x. So we're substituting x minus a for d of x since that's what we're dividing. P of a means you plug in a. So a minus a times q of a plus r of a. A minus a becomes 0. So this whole piece right here becomes 0 and you're left with just r of a. So the remainder is p of a. We're going to use that idea to answer the question, given that p of x equals x to the fifth minus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2, what is p of 3? So this is a good example to use synthetic division where they haven't given us every single coefficient. So notice we have x to the fifth, there's a 1 in front, and then we go from x to the fifth to x cubed. We're missing the x to the fourth, so we put a 0. Then we have negative 2x cubed, so we have negative 2. We have minus x squared, so that's negative 1. And then notice we go from x squared to 2. We are missing the x term, so that's 0 x's, so put a 0. And then we have our constant plus 2. Then we're going to bring down our first coefficient of 1, and now we're ready to go. So 3 times 1 gives us 3. 0 plus 3 gives us 3. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Negative 2 plus 9 gives us 7. 3 times 7 gives us 21. Negative 1 plus 21 gives us 20. 3 times 20 gives us 60. 0 plus 60 is 60. And 3 times 60 is 180. 180 plus 2 is 182. So this tells us that p of 3 equals 182, because remember the very last number is your remainder, and p of 3 stands for the remainder when you divide by x minus 3. So p of 3 equals 182. That work is also shown on the computer slide, and then I have a u-try. So I would like you to use synthetic division and the remainder theorem to find p of a. In this case, we have p of x equals 6x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 3, and a is 3.